Hey guys, we're going to have a look at doing something with the kick and snare. So we're actually going to do a little bit of playing along with some instruments. And look, when you're doing this, best to grab a beat. If you've got a nice area that you can set up in and play the music, great, and just play along with it. You can get some drum beats downloaded off the net easy enough. Alternatively, whack a set of headphones in with mobile phone, play them off that. Basically, due to the way I'm recording here, going to use a bit of headphones in this, otherwise we'll get some serious feedback loops going on. And look, the idea was we want to be using our emphasis to make a bit of rhythm that matches with another instrument. And in this case, we're going to use a bit of bass on our top three strings of the guitar, and then treble. So I'm just going to use an E minor. And look, the way we want to do it is to be hitting that on the kick and your treble on the snare. Okay, so I'm going to throw these on and kick this in. So, all right. So you get an idea there. That's where we've got our kick and snare matching up with a rhythm. Really good way to go with playing that is to have a jam with a drummer and get some actual feel going. It's great fun as well. Now look, the other thing we want to do is look at using your kick and snare for riffs. Now we'll start off with a pretty simple one here, and we're going to use the first and fifth note of the E scale. So all right, all I'm doing there, I'm up on the 7 and 9th on the A and D string, and I'm going to use that root note and the 5th. Okay, so that's all we're doing. All right, get into it. Okay. All right, so that's something nice and easy. What we've got to do as well is try it with a third. You get a different feel, okay? Okay. All right. So you're getting the idea. You've got these bits and pieces. Now, what you can really do then is build upon that into a riff. So you've got your boom, boom, ba, ba, and you've got these, and so you can mix it up as well. So and you start to get some really funky kind of riffs and rhythms going down. Now, you can also use your 7th. So these tend to really work with arpeggio notes. So I'm going to try riffing off that 7th now. So it's a... So you can use these things in a bit of timing and going, all right, cool, we've got a sound. Then if you want to actually pull off some really cool lead riffs, you can use the same thing. So we're going to go, all right, here is my E. I'm repeating the E there. Now we might riff off, and we're starting to get some really cool little counter melodies going on. All right, we can then actually put this into a bigger riff so you can solo off it, essentially. So it's and you're sort of getting this rhythmic feeling to your riffs based on the kick and the snare. All right. So with this, find a bunch of different drum beats and actually have a go at it. Put some rhythm down. If you've got something to record on, jump in, lay some tracks and layer and layer and layer your riffs over the top. So we'll leave this one there and I'll see you next time.